Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen, and world level passion with to see you all. My name is Richard Fatur Rahman. Let me introduce myself and partner Lolita Rizkyana and Rama Marina. Okay. Ethical dilemmas case 3, group 3 English policy 3 A and B. Case 3. Mr. Green is 57 years old gentleman with aggressive prostate cancer was to care of by the nursing team in the oncology department of the General Hospital in Brisbane, KLD, Australia. Mr. Green was diagnosed with prostate cancer 7 years ago, but resisted medical and surgery health treatment at the time. He chose to seek alternative treatment and did not follow up with the urology over that 7 years period. Mr. Green has now present with anemia and hypoproteinemia after several diagnoses that over a period it was discovered that the cancer had metastasis to the brain. It had spread locally to his lymph nodes, and the primary tumor was invading the bladder and partially obstructing the left kidney. Mr. King had the surgery administered over a 2-month period for the registration. On the last admission, Mr. Green was told that he may only have 6 weeks. Presently, it was 6 and 12 months to live after a hysteroscopy. So for further extensive growth of the tumor, it was determined that any further surgical or medical intervention would not be appropriate in this case, and that a palliative care regimen was the next step. At this point, the patient reported to the healthcare team that is introducing himself to the act that has was going to Mr. Greenwood one on the other was as it the COVID to the nurse start, we plan to kill him, and that it was fit that the nurse was not then tell anyone. Ethical problem. Number one, ethical practice for the ethical practice less important. Autonomy versus non-malignant cancer and benign cancer. Number two, ethical issue. What are the tips of the ethical issue? Freedom versus control. Number three, problem statement. What are the problem? And does the patient have the right to make choice for himself that may result in harm, or can the nurse take control and do what benefits both her and the patient? So the nurse keeping the script that Mr. Green planned to keep him safe. Okay, next, nama Marina Ellen, data gathering. Okay, Marina Ellen.
Data gathering, relevant fact, what are from the case. Number 1, Mr. Green was diagnosed with prostate cancer 7 years ago, but refused medical and surgical treatment at the time. He caused to seek alternative treatment and did not follow up with the urologist over that 7 years period. Number 2, Mr. Green has now presented with anemia and hypoproteinemia. Number 3, the cancer had metastasized to his bones. It had spread locally to his lymph nodes and the primary tumor was invading the bladder and partially crushing the left kidney. Number 4, when the last administration, Mr. Green was told that he might only have 4 weeks. Previously, it was 12 months to live after cystoscopy, so with further extensive growth of the tumor, it was determined then that any further surgical medical intervention would not be appropriate in this case, and that palliative care regimen was the next step. Number 5, at this point, the patient reported to the healthcare team that he had resigned himself to the fact. Data gathering continued. Stakeholders and the concerns who are involved, what do they concern? Stakeholders. Mr. Green reported to the healthcare team that he had resigned himself to the fact that he was going to die. He planned to kill himself. Concern. The nurse noticed Mr. Green's suicidal tendencies. They provided the psychological comfort to the patient mood and prevent patient immediately surgical behavior. Option. What are the possible solutions? What are the advantages and disadvantages of each option? Option 1. The nurse keeping the secret that Mr. Green planned to kill himself. Advantage. This outcome only benefits Mr. Green because this action satisfies his desire to disadvantage. The nurse might get bad consequences because she disobeys the rules, has negative impact on family and healthcare staff, especially emotional impact. For instance, the people who have lost family members to suicide are more likely to feel guilty, shame, and upset. Option 2. The nurse caused to share the information of Mr. Green in suicide attempt with other healthcare professional. Advantage. This outcome lengthens Mr. Green's life and maintains his safety, which makes both his family and healthcare professionals feel happy. Disadvantage. The patient will feel terrible pain. Next, option 3. The nurse will consult this case to the patient and let him her decide what to do. Advance. The nurse will not take the pressure of the conflict because now it is in the patient hand. Disadvantage. The nurse might feel guilty because the physical decision may have bad consequence. Next, Nurita.
Okay. Decision and justification. One, decision. The nurse should cause option 2. The nurse cause to share the information of Mr. Green suicide except with other healthcare professional. Number 2, justification. The nurse should take into consideration all the nurse opinion, but still put the patient first after consideration of all ethical principles until Tarini's theory, false statement, legal concept, and opinion in contemporary literature, it would be neither ethically nor legally permissible for the nurse to keep the secret of Mr. Green suicide attempt. The action of sharing this information with other professionals first, the ethical consideration of non-malevolence and beneficence principle, it creates benefits for most people. In this case, it become the moral right choice. According to utilitarianism theory, besides this nursing ethical false statement emphasized nurse responsible to profit quality of health care and to fulfill access to quality nursing and health care for all people with support nurse to take positive action to avoid suicide. Moreover, the opinion in contemporary literature nurse to take positive action and tell other healthcare professional in order to prevent suicide with support. The choice of telling others, therefore, the best ethical decision for the patient. The information of Mr. Green, Swiss except with professional.
Well, thank you, your kind intention to join the presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.